Okay, so obviously the research is set within South Asia, and we would expect therefore to see some similar patterns emerging in each of our country case studies. However, that said, when you dig in, particularly through deeper analysis, it's quite clear that each context displays particular complexities that are unique to that particular location, and actually even more than that, internal diversity. So not just even between urban and rural, but even between different locations in an urban or rural context, we will see differences, and capturing that diversity is really critical in the struggle to end violence against women and girls. Interventions need to respond to that complexity and weave around those differences. So one of the key objectives for this research is to be able to bring a much clearer, yet complex, which might sound a little bit of a contradiction, but much clearer understanding of what those differences are. And in doing that, we apply a particular model that really thinks about unearthing those complexities at different levels. So if we think about the model in terms of different spheres, one particular model that's quite useful is called the ecology model. It really maps a context in terms of the individual, the household, and the outer community, and then beyond that to state level and then national level. And understanding that violence occurs at different points, but it's also triggered by things that may or may not be happening at each of those levels. So understanding the relevance of each of those particular spheres, again, is also really critical. So applying a model like that enables us to really make sure that we're capturing the kind of insight that we need to lead into that bigger comparative picture.